This came home with me today. It was on Marketplace on Facebook. So I went by, took a look at it, and ended up bringing it home for $40. It's my first vintage refrigerator. Probably only need one, but it's a Frigidaire. I don't know if you can see it, but there's it's starting to get cold. I just plugged it in an hour ago. What's this thing say? I don't trust that thing. Okay, and it's been plugged in and it's pulling 114 watts. So it's been plugged in for an hour, but yes, it's getting cold. And it's starting to do its job, so. Oh yeah, it was sold as working, but the cord was bad, so yeah, I just cut the cord off. And got it fired up. But yeah, pretty cool. I'm real happy with my purchase. If it works good, maybe someday I'll replace some of the seal there. It's got this this wall on the front door is loose. Looks like the only thing holding on is this over here. So yeah, it's been used and abused. But crazy thing is it's getting cold. Came with the ice cube trays, so I filled one of them up. We'll make some ice this evening. But yeah, it's a Frigidaire, made only by General Motors. All new to me. Now up here is where you would adjust there's colder. I just got it set on 4 right now. I'm just letting it. What is that? Spider nest. Yeah, it needs cleaned. There is a light bulb. It's not coming out yet, so I'm gonna wait till it's unplugged to try and get that fixed. But yeah, pretty cool. That's all you get for $40. You've got a fresh coat of paint on it, though. That's kind of awesome. And don't know what year it is, but yeah, it's how do I do this? So I'm 6.5 foot tall, so it's only about 5 foot tall.